Hello, my friends. Are you shopping faster than you're decluttering? You know, I have a sister who used to be really pretty cluttered, and she had a laundry problem. And her laundry problem was that her laundry had everything that she owned in it, and she didn't get it done, and so she would go and buy more clothes, which added to her laundry pile and kept feeding the monster. So if you're not decluttering, instead you're buying, you're feeding the monster. So today I want you to think about that. Am I buying too much food? And that's why my fridge is jammed to the brim and I can't even find any food in there, and the kids say there's nothing to eat because they can't even see it? And are you buying clothes too often? Are you buying decorations for your house and stuff that you just don't need? Learn to be satisfied with what you have and stop feeding the clutter monster. Today, resolve that you will stop buying faster than you're decluttering. Make it a great day.